Okay, in our previous example, we did not have any money in our wasted money worksheet, and we were going to pay off our debt in 12 years. So now we've taken a look at our budget and we've decided that we don't want to pay off our debt in 12 years. We're kind of excited. We found $200 that we can put in our debt snowball after looking at our wasted money worksheet. We're going to cut back on the groceries a little bit. And we're going to really put some effort into getting an extra $200 a month. So up here in our snowball amount, we're going to put in $200. Now our total monthly payment is $21.79. But look what happened. After applying $200 a month that we didn't think we had, we went from paying off Bank of America in 18 months to 4 months. 4 months they're paid off. We went to paying off Chase from 20-something months to 10 months. So we also went from paying off the boat from almost 3 years to 20 months, less than 2 years. So in our original scenario, we didn't have any extra money, and our first debt would not have been paid off until 18 months. By applying an additional $200 from delivering pizzas, cutting expenses, eating beans and rice, rice and beans, you paid off your first 3 debts in 2 months longer than it would have taken you just to pay off Bank of America the other way. So in 20 months, you'll have paid off 3 debts. Continue that a little further. And now in 52 months, you'll have paid off everything but the house. So in 4 years, you'll have paid off everything but the house. And in this scenario, applying $200 a month, you'll have paid off everything, including the house, in 10.4 months, or 10 years and 4 months. So basically 10.5 years. Now there's a lot of things that we can do here to mess with these numbers. For example, this starts January of 18 is when we decide we're going gung-ho with this. But in April, would you believe we got a tax return for $1,500? We put all of that in our debt snowball. When you apply that to your debt snowball, now you have paid off Bank of America in 3 months, Chase in 5 months, the boat is paid off in 16 months, and the first vehicle was paid off in 39 months. Let's take that out of there. And instead, let's look at, say you got a raise. Both of you got a raise. And so you're able to pay $500 a month on your snowball. Or you just discovered that you just spent a lot more money eating out than what you realized, and you have $500 a month to apply to these bills. When you apply $500 a month, First of all, your total payoff goes to less than 9 years. So you went from having 27 years left on your mortgage or 20 years left on your mortgage to being able to pay off everything you have in 9 years. But let's take a look monthly. Because monthly, sorry, my mouse is a little weird. Now you've paid off Bank of America in 2 months. You've paid off the second credit card in 5 months. You've paid off the boat in 12 months. You paid off the first car in 29 months. So 2 years, 5 months is the first car. Then the second car in 3 years and 4 months. So can you imagine 3 years and 4 months from now not having any debt? And if you take a look at this, if you're left with just your house payment at $850 a month, plus the $150 escrow is $1,000 a month. Now you have $1,000 a month in your pocket that's no longer going to payments.